Hey guys, so the other day my meditation cushion exploded. Check this out, no video editing. Just gotta click a button. So, oh, wait. So my meditation cushion exploded, as you can see. And for the past few days, I've been sitting on some books. Well, I tried this checkered pillow at first, and then I was sitting on some books, and my practice has actually been suffering. I didn't quite realize how important my locked in meditation posture has become for my own meditation practice. I mean, it's so locked in that when I'm sitting on my cushion in my usual spot, I don't have to worry about my body at all. I just drop right in. I go right into the meditation experience. But as I've been sitting on the cushion and I mean, as I've been trying to sit on the pillows and then a stack of books, I've been noticing back pain, and it's been making it more difficult for me to practice my meditation the way I want to. And I can feel how that's actually been impacting my days, right? My meditation is so important to me. So in this video, and this is kind of on my Amazon influencer vibe, but I guess this one wants to go on the main channel. I'm going to be unboxing this Florenzi meditation cushion. This is the same one that I had previously, and I was like having some decision fatigue, so I just said, heck it, I'll just buy the same one. But I did buy a different color. One of my friends actually told me that she had the same one in lavender, so I decided I would get the lavender one. And by the way, the meditation cushion exploded after 2.5 years of use. And it wasn't the outside cover, it was like the inside part. I took off the cover to wash it, and the inside part had exploded. Okay, so that's what happened. But hey, now we got a new one. All right, so here it is, check it out. Let me get this plastic off. So yeah, I'm super relieved to have a cushion again. So important. These silica gels are flying everywhere. I actually remember now, this meditation cushion comes with like a firm like foam circle to keep its shape. And I remember I immediately took that out when I first bought mine so that I could, squish it however I wanted to. Like, it's got this disc right here, so it stays pretty firm. So maybe this time I'll try to leave that on and see how that goes. But yeah, here's the new meditation cushion. It's got a handle. I might as well do my Amazon influencer thing and throw the affiliate link in the description if you want one of these. But there it is. It's very pretty, and I'm mostly just relieved that I'm going to be able to sit on a cushion again and not have to worry about that. So that's really cool. In that photo, you can see one of these books over here. So someone asked me about this book. What's this Jesus book that I'm reading? And I'm actually finally having a breakthrough. I've been feeling so shy about the fact that I'm reading this book. I'm like embarrassed that I'm reading a Jesus book for all these different reasons that I don't really feel the need to get into right now. But what I think is cool about what's happening in this moment for me right now is I'm not feeling ashamed of it. So I'm just going to tell you. This is a book called Jesus Calling. I first found it on TikTok. Someone was just reading it on TikTok, and I found it very beautiful. This is one of the 2 books that I'm currently reading every day as part of my spiritual practice. I guess I already did say that in my in the video I made about what my practice looks like, but I've been reading A Course in Miracles every day, 1 page, and Jesus Calling every day, 1 page. Both of these books have been helping me orient my mind towards love and being brave every single day. Reading these books has been putting really good, positive, uplifting thoughts in my mind. So as I'm going about my day, when fear comes up, I have these beautiful things in my mind. And this has been an awesome part of my practice because it's helping me choose the brave thing, choose the courageous thing, trust in the process, trust in the universe, choose love, all of that good stuff. So yeah, just wanted to share that. Really, really beautiful. Both of these books, really, really beautiful, having a profound impact on me right now. What the heck? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to join my free Creative Freedom group calls every week, and I'm also currently hosting meditations every week as well. And sometimes I read from A Course in Miracles. Maybe I'll read from this one day. Info to join that community and other things are in my description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.